Hello, I'm Frank Higgins. I run Kaleidoscope Studio UK, where, not surprisingly, I make kaleidoscopes. Now, most people remember kaleidoscopes as a child's toy, perhaps from the Christmas stocking. Might have looked something like this. Well, I make the grown-up version, of which this is one example. It works on the same basic principle as that child's toy. You look through it at something probably coloured and probably moving. But what distinguishes it is the variety and spectacular nature of the images I can create, and the design and the quality of construction of the exterior. The most common reaction is, wow! My principal medium is glass, and I use a variety of techniques, some of it on a micro scale. There are around 70 components in this cone, about 1.5 inches in height. There is also some very precise work with the optical components inside the instrument. People often ask me how I came to work in such an obscure, or perhaps to put it more kindly, niche field. I came to it with skills in glass. With my partner Janet, I had set up and run a small stained glass studio. By coincidence, we had christened this business Kaleidoscope Stained Glass, but it wasn't until the mid-1990s that we discovered contemporary kaleidoscopes. At that point, there was no one else in the UK making kaleidoscopes, so I had to teach myself. Fortunately, my ancient degree in physics, when I dusted it off, still worked, with Janet contributing her expertise in colour and design from a career as a colour scientist in the textile industry. Of the 4,000 or so kaleidoscopes that I've created to date, there are well over 100 significantly different designs. Apart from the very simplest of designs, no two kaleidoscopes are identical. My work is sold in the UK through a small number of galleries and increasingly to a community of collectors worldwide. The range of work is really quite broad, running from small, and this little fella is about 2 inches in length, to large, and this big beast takes a mobile phone as its viewing object. And this one has 2 objects to view, contributing to a 3-dimensional image which you can view from 2 different angles through the 2 windows. What they all have in common is that they are interesting and attractive on the outside, and they are built to last a lifetime. And above all, they produce spectacular images. Wow! I joined the Artisanry Co community because I like the idea of a cooperative venture aimed at promoting awareness of craftsmanship. I'm a member of my local Guild of Craftsmen, and I see Artisanry Co as potentially having the same ethos but on a more national scale.